In Tale of Two Contractors' first episode, Some Win, Some Lose, we see Mike Legend impress his customer with OnCall Air's digital proposal capabilities. So how realistic is this? Hear what actual OnCall Air users have to say.
The customers are blown away by it, and I increased my sales dramatically after using this program.
As far as customer feedback, they all think it's super professional, and they love all of the literature, the videos that's on there.
A lot of times the other proposals from other companies are just a sheet of paper with everything written on it. Where our proposals, there's the active links that they can click. They can see more information on there than what we can offer to even explain.
There you have it! Real OnCall Air users rave about how much OnCall Air impresses their customers. Book a demo today at oncallair.com and become the next OnCall Air success story.